Go. Who is your present from?
Daddy and Papa.
All right, so we're going to check it out.
Okay, there you go. You need to pull it out.
What is it?
I wonder what it is.
What are they?
What are they, Rachel?
Wow, what are they?
Pajamas.
That's right. They're just like your green ones.
Your favorite green
Your
ones.
favorite green ones. They're just like your favorite green ones.
Only they're shorts, I think. Or they
They're
pants?
pants. Are you gonna sleep in those tonight? Yeah.
What do you say to Nanny and Papa?
Thank you.
What do you say?